bá a bá ṣe ni lóore ọpẹ́ làádú ẹni tá a ṣe lóore tí kò dúpẹ́ bí ọlọ́ṣà kò ní lẹ́rù lọ ni. Gbajúmọ̀ olórin ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Tanzania tó fẹ́ Priscilla Ojo yẹn Juma Jux ti sọ ipa ribiribi tí Iyabo Ojo kó nínú ayé rẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó sọ.
The impact Priscy Iyabo Ojo don't get for your career, rating it over 10.
I can say even 6, 7.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I met her in Rwanda. I didn't know she was a celebrity.
Oh wow.
I swear to God, I didn't know. Like, I just saw her with Chioma.
Yeah. Oh, Chamaiko.
Yeah. So when I just saw her, it's just a fight side. Like, wow, this girl, she's beautiful. I like her. When we had conversation, it's even drilled everything. I say, wow, she's the one.
So now love at first sight.
First sight.
Love at first sight.